Hello, I'm Sumit, and in this video I will show you how you can convert your PDFs into FlipLinks. First of all, log in into your fliplink.me account and click on Create New and upload your PDF. For this video I will upload how to make 64 pieces of content in a day by Gary Vee and show you how this PDF can be converted into a FlipLink. I'll upload it. So once a PDF is uploaded into FlipLinks, it will create a flipbook online with a custom link, and here we go. So this is a PDF converted into FlipLinks. Okay, looks good, looks all cool. Let's jump into the details. You can edit the title the way you want. Okay, you can add a description, you can have a custom URL. For this I'll have Gary 64 content tips. Okay, and now this is branding. You can change the logo that comes at the bottom right. You can change the background. That is like, you have many pre-selected options which you can use, or you can put your own selection and upload a background image. You can also change the favicon icon for your link. Coming to the controls, you can allow printing, downloading and seeing table of content, sound for your FlipLink links. Into the privacy, you can make your FlipLinks publicly available or password protected. For lead capture, you can enable lead capture and ask specific informations before someone open your FlipLink. This contains email, name, phone number, company, and you can make them mandatory, not mandatory, or you can add 2 of your custom fields on the first page. You can enable a call to action button. As you can see on the top right, it appears. I'll turn it red. I'll change the color to black. Okay, and you can add the web URL. Like for example, if I write it something like buy now or book a meeting, right, and I will add on my own web URL here. In the settings, you can have the book layout as page 1 or page 2. So right now this is a page 2. So as you can see, these settings apply once you save the flipbook. So if you make it 1, so only 1 page will be visible to your audience. If you make it 2, it will be just like this. And for our Arabic audience, a FlipLink have a feature that can flip your book from left to right, from the starting, and this is right to left. For analytics, this is crazy feature for all the marketers out there, that you can add on your Facebook Pixel ID, Google Analytics ID and Google Tag Manager ID and see how your content on FlipLinks behaving. You can remarket your audience. You can have the performance, that which FlipLink is the most read or most time spent on. Alright, so once you go into the details of branding and marketing, you save your flipbook. So once it's saved, you can preview it, or you can just send the link to anyone on WhatsApp, on Facebook, Instagram to view it, and it will be like this. The experience on mobile and tabs are phenomenal. You can even check out how vectorized the text and all is, so it will not get distorted. And you can go back and edit any of these settings in your flipbook. And even imagine you want to change the content of the flipbook. Once you update it, you don't need to create another flipbook. You can just go to the settings of the flipbook and you can replace the PDF. Once you replace the PDF, the new PDF will stay there and get updated on the same link for your audience. You can also view leads if you have turned on the lead generation in a FlipLink, and you can also embed this FlipLink as per your choice on your website as an iframe. You can edit the height and width as per your requirement on your website when you are applying this iframe code to any of the pages in your website. I hope this video was useful. This is the first video of FlipLink. Give it a thumbs up.